Namaste and greeting all divine soul. Today let's be take a sacred pass from the choice of life and enter the quiet space where truth lives inside our heart. We are going to explore on of the deepest mystery of experience, karma and destiny, the cosmic balance. Because every time we face joy or pain, success and failure, love or loss, who often ask, why me? And the answer lie hidden in the invisible thread of karma and destiny. 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 Karma is not punishment, karma is not revenge, karma is a simple the law of action and reaction, the law of energy. Whatever we do, think, or even feel creates vibration. This vibration moves through the universe and eventually return to us, that karma. When we plant a mango seed, cannot accept apple tree. When we sow kindness, love returns. When we sow anger, pain returns. Life is the field. Our thought are the seeds. Karma is the harvest. Every action leaves in impression in the mind of the soul. Those impressions travel with us not only in the life but across lifetime. That is why sometimes we meet people who is the first time and still feel I have known this soul before. That is echo of old karma bonds. Now let it talk about destiny. Destiny is not something written by external power against our will. It is the path of our past karmas. Imagine our life is a ship sailing on the vast ocean of time. The minds and currents, they are our destiny. But straightening wheel that our free will our karma now. Dictionary being you situation. Karma decided how you respond. Dictionary is exam paper. Karma how you answer it. Many people say everything is dictionary, but remember, destiny give a circumstances. Karma give the result of how you are handle these circumstances. We are not prisoner of destiny. We are participate the divine creation. The universe is not random. It is perfectly balanced. Every soul journey is guided by cosmic justice system. When we hurt someone, the energy must balance. When we help someone, the energy must return. Nothing every despair, it only transforms. That's why the beast say, as you give, so shall you receive. This balance is not controlled by human law or any judge. It is maintained by divine intelligence itself. The universe keep account more accurately than any computer. Every smile, every tear, every attention is recorded in the field of cosmos. That is not to make us feared. It is to remind us that we are responsible creator of our reality. Once we understand karma, we stop blaming other. We realize every challenge in as opportunity to balance old debit and create new light. How do you change our karma? By transforming our intention, by action selfishly without attachment to result. This is called Karam Yoga, the path of right action. Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita say, "You right is to action alone, not to eat fruits." When we work with devotional and surrounded, our action no longer bind us, they liberty us. Every act done with love becomes a offering to the divine. Every thought filled with compassion becomes a prayer, and slowly be happy, calm of karma melt away. There comes a time in spiritually growth when we rise above karma. How? Be entering state of pure witnessing all without attachment. When we stop identify as the doer and realize that the divine energy is action through us, karma lost its grip. Then whatever comes, joy and sorrow become past divine grace. We stop saying why me. Be starting saying thank you universe. That is bringing to freedom. That is awakening of the soul. So, dear soul, remember, karma is not your enemy. Destiny is not your jailer. They are your greatest teacher. Life is a classroom. Each experience a lesson. When we learn with love, with gratitude toward liberation, let our action to guided by kindness. You throw by purity, and your heart is gratitude, because in the end the cosmic balance is not against us, it helping be evolve toward light, toward peace, toward oneness with the divine. Thank you, and may your karma, because your path is internal joy. Namaste. Jai Prabhu Mangalam.